Hi, my name is Kevin Oliveira. I'm Senior Product Marketing Manager at Forcepoint for Data Security Solutions. Today, I have with me Hadam El-Sahar. He's a Senior Sales Engineer at Forcepoint, and he will be sharing with us how ChatGPT can be effectively used by IT workers in an organization, and how using Forcepoint Data Security enables us to be able to increase people's productivity using ChatGPT, and it can be used across many organizations. Here are many functions within an organization. Today's function, though, will be around IT. Hadam, could you maybe give us an example?
Sure. So the scenario here is about an IT administrator who just his company just switched to Forcepoint firewalls, and the guy here doesn't have a lot of information about how to configure those firewalls. So he's using ChatGPT to help him how to configure this firewall. So as a start, he's trying to create a new interface on a Forcepoint firewall. So simply, he's asking ChatGPT how to create this. So I've pasting this command here saying, okay, now I'm telling ChatGPT, you are the IT administrator. I want to create a new interface on Forcepoint firewall. This is the IP address of the interface that we want to create. So now ChatGPT will be giving him the steps how to create this new interface. So this would be created in a format that, yeah, can be descriptive. However, it's not very helpful for him. So the guy here, the IT guy here, is asking for a step-by-step. Do this in a step-by-step command format. So again, now we are seeing
so you get the
you'll
interface.
need to log in. Yeah, that's right. Go to the command line interface, enter configuration mode, and then enter the interface details, etc., etc. So, and then write to the memory.
So the first information was correct. This one is giving more of an illustration, so it makes it even easier. Nothing here is sensitive information. It's really just helping an IT worker. Instead of having to go to search through support documents or log on to support things or different things, he can just easily go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT has so much information that it's able to give very accurate information for this support issue.
Right? That's right. So now the next step for this IT guy is that now he wants to create an access list or create a list of all the servers that are there in their data center. And this list would be used later on for allowing firewall rules depending on this list of servers. So what we see here is that now the IT administrator started to include server names. So as you can see, headquarter, main site, Active Directory, or storage, Exchange. So now the guy is now,
yeah,
and the IP address as well. So if I'm an external entity and I have this type of information now, it's very easy for me to attack this customer. Yeah, because you're giving me the information on a golden plate here. Right. So what the administrator will do here is that, okay, let's take this as it is, copy this, go to ChatGPT, and hey, please help me. But sorry, Forcepoint DLP is standing
immediately blocks this. So yeah, there's no middle ground on this. This is yes, this is definitely something that we would want to block. And you have the policy set up already so that it's able to recognize the amount of IP addresses and the way they're being used, and that's been able to be blocked effectively.
Yeah, and the thing is, for our DLP customers, they don't have to rebuild all these policies to control their users' transactions with ChatGPT, because the customer would have already the time and effort already spent to build their data protection policies, and it will go without extra additional configuration to be applied to ChatGPT or any other tool that can be another channel to exfiltrate data.
That's great. For more information, Please check out our playlist on Forcepoint Tech Talks on YouTube. It's called Safely Use AI Tools with Forcepoint Data Security. And you can see more videos that show different use cases for dev, for R&D, for marketing, for healthcare, and gives you many different other ways that you can leverage Forcepoint Data Security to enable you to freely use ChatGPT and to be able to be more productive as an organization. Thanks.